Looking to update or remodel your home? From planning to execution, you'll be spending a lot of time with your contractor. It's crucial that you share the same vision and hire someone you can trust. Let's speak to Doug Mahoney from Sage Construction for tips on how to ensure that your project is a success.
Sage is a quality first builder, but we don't just define quality as the meticulous craftsmanship and the beautiful finished product. Our quality is really defined by how we interact with the families that invite us into their homes and by the integrity of the trade partners that we bring into these people's places. Doing your homework and selecting the right remodeling contractor is one of the most important things you can do when you decide to take on a remodel project. A couple key things to look out for are Class A licensed and fully insured. Full insurance includes workers' comp and general liability. You want to make sure that you have high quality finishes included in your base price, and the contractor that you're selecting has a team of trade partners that share a discerning eye for quality. The last big thing you want to make sure and check into are references and a deep portfolio of high quality finished products in the area. Spec or semi-custom home builders are focused heavily on standardizing the process, both design and processes. It's a factory-like model, and top quality spec home builders provide a great quality product at extremely competitive prices and speed. Remodels, additions, and fully custom homes are a very different business model. A team that focuses in this space needs to have team members that have clear and consistent client communication. They also need to have a deep understanding of existing structures and the nuance of tying into existing structures. Then lastly, they need to have a bench of skilled tradespeople that you'd be happy to have in your home because they are working directly adjacent to your living space.
For over 30 years, Sage Construction has been serving the community. There is no home remodeling project that the Sage Construction team can't handle.
One of the most common misconceptions is that remodeling is a commodity and that tradespeople are interchangeable. We go to the best restaurants for top quality food and great service, and we stay in trusted hotel brands for clean accommodations and a brand we can count on. Remodeling is no different. Great remodeling contractors providing a service we can count on, as well as a top quality finished product. Another common misconception is that no issue is insurmountable. And not every single wall has a demon behind it. TV and media tend to dramatize the remodeling process and sometimes scare us out of unforeseen conditions. And while unforeseen conditions absolutely do exist, and unfortunately they do cost a little bit of extra money, it's important to employ a contractor and a design team that will systematically help you step through that process and create the best possible outcome for your finished home.
Whether adding additional living space or enhancing your outdoor living area, each remodel has several moving parts that require careful attention from an experienced contractor.
Sage Construction started in the mid-90s. It was a coming together of two contractors, myself and my partner. The groups that we brought together were friends and family in the area. We grew up together, went to school together. We still feed from those pools of people who have stayed in the industry, and I think it shows through in every project. Having a high-quality team has been the main focus for Sage Construction because that's really what shines through in the end. Those folks are true believers in the project, and their craftsmanship will show through every time. Our view of how we approach the remodeling industry has been a little bit different. My partner and I, and Doug has already moved in the same way, we are not only about the project, we're also about the relationship. The relationship has to start with an honest approach. The first thing we like to do when we go into a person's home is listen, because they have a lot to say, and they have a lot of needs and a lot of wants. And I think that's the most important thing. When we get there, we listen, we figure out what that is, and we help them get to their goal. We are accountable, we're professional, we want to make sure that all the way through the project, they feel like they are being well looked after, and then we're listening, again, to each and every one of their needs.
Make your dream home a reality with an experienced team of experts.
The remodel process can seem very intimidating on the outset, but with the right team of design, trusted contractor, and architect, you can have an extremely enjoyable experience. And in the end, you have this great product that you're happy to show off.
To find out more about Sage Construction, visit sageconstruction.com and designingspaces.tv.